In this video, we show you the performance of alignG-S series, an affordable precision ultrasonic sensor. This is a 3 micron precision stage. We use this setup to test and calibrate every sensor we manufacture here. To improve the setup, we use the feedback from a 1 micron precision dial indicator. The stage is programmed to move alignG 400 micron back and forth when I press left or right switch. This LCD shows the measurements sent by alignG. After moving the sensor, we wait for a second, then we read first 5 measurements and use them to calculate precision and accuracy. We repeat this procedure for 10 different points. This sensor shows the accuracy better than 40 micrometer and precision better than 20 micrometer in all measurement points.